Rock 899, one of the best helmets in 2022. With the timeless carbon look of the Rock 899 motorcycle helmet, you are always on the safe side, and it goes with any leather suit or textile jacket in any color combination. Features of the Rock 899 are a breathable, removable, and washable comfort inner lining, the naturally important removable emergency cheek pads, the excellent adjustable chin and head ventilation, as well as a ratchet lock and the standard UV protective coating. The helmet shell of the Rock 899 is made of carbon and is available in 2 helmet shell sizes, and with a built-in sun visor. The visor is clear, scratch-resistant, and includes Pinlock Max Vision with a zero setting option. A quick visor change without tools is possible at any time. With a weight of around 1,515 grams, the Rock 899 is a perfect companion for any motorcycle travel destination. For more information, see the link in the description. Don't forget to comment and like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you later on my other videos.